How to use CapCut template. If you're a little confused on how to use CapCut template, well, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open CapCut. Then at the top right corner, you'll see where it says Auto Cut. So just tap on Auto Cut right here. Go ahead and select the photos that you want to add to your video, and then press Next at the very bottom. So once you do this, you'll see there are multiple templates at the bottom. You can just slide on over and select one that you want. You can always tap this little icon at the top right corner to generate more templates. So once you're satisfied with the template that you have, you can also change the sound. You can change it by tapping Replace right here. So you can choose which you want to do it. You can sign in with TikTok as well if you want to sync it to your favorite sound from TikTok. So I'm just going to cross this out, and once you're done editing, you can press this export button at the top right corner right here. And you can export without watermark and post it directly to your TikTok, or export it and save it to your gallery. And once you press export, it's going to be saved to your gallery, and that is it. That is how you use CapCut template. Also, be sure to check out our website createlogindelete.com, which is linked in the description below for various helpful guides, tips, and tricks for your favorite social media apps and software.